The iPhone launch event is said to happen next week on September 9th. It's only a few days away. A lot of information about Apple's next iPhone has already been leaked, but one thing that makes me sad is that the metal unibody design is back. Titanium has been used by Apple on their Pro line of iPhones for 2 years now, like on the iPhone 15 and 16. Before that, Apple made the iPhone 14 and 13 out of stainless steel. It looks like Apple has chosen an aluminum unibody form again this time. There could be a lot of reasons for this, but one is that the Pro and Pro Max models have bigger batteries and are more expensive. Adding a bigger battery makes the device heavier for sure. We also have a new style for the back camera this time. About 8.7mm is how thick the iPhone 17 Pro Max is. Apple will have to use metal to make this phone, which will make it very heavy. Also, titanium costs a lot more than aluminum. To save money and make the design a little lighter, Apple is using a frame made of aluminum and glass for the back. In the back, there is a hole for wireless charging, and Apple will use glass there. It's clear that this two-tone style is new and interesting. I'm just waiting to see how Apple promotes this new stuff. My guess is that they will call it military-grade aluminum alloy and stress that it is lighter than titanium while still being better. We only know for sure that titanium is no longer used and that Apple is bringing back metal for now. This year, the back will allegedly be able to support wireless charging from the back. This is going to be huge if it's true, because it will let you charge your AirPods and Apple Watch wirelessly. Apple is raising the price of iPhones by $50 this year, even though they are now made of metal. The reason for this is new taxes and the rising costs of some of the materials used to make the iPhone. It doesn't matter, the iPhone 17 will still be a great phone. This is the year to improve, since the camera, processor, and even RAM will all be better. There will be 12 GB of RAM. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.